In this video, I'll show you how to show or hide text messages that appear on your lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you find this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, head over to your messages on your phone and you want to click and hold down messages and then click on the little eye like so. And then from here, you want to click into notifications under privacy and scroll near the bottom, and you've got where it says lock screen notifications. At the moment it is currently set to hide content. So if yours says show content, click on hide content. Another way you can do this is where it says allow notifications, you can toggle that off too. Also, if you scroll down and if you got it to set to show content, you can configure in messages. So if you want to preview new messages, where it says show previews of new messages on the lock screen and in pop-ups, if you disable that, it won't show any previews of new messages on the lock screen and in pop-ups as well. Alright, that's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.